Guys, what if I tell you that you could run an entire company with just one system? So, sounds impossible, right? Well, not with SAP ERP. Hello and welcome everyone to this video on SAP tutorial for beginners by ZaranTech. So, did you know that right now SAP is powering over 4 lakh business across 180 countries, and that is 1000 times more than the population of Ireland. Now, what exactly is this SAP ERP? So imagine that you are having a super smart robot that can simultaneously manage your bank account, schedule your tasks, and even order groceries for you. That's basically what SAP ERP does for companies, but on a massive scale. From finance to HR and supply chain to their customer relations, SAP ERP connects all of these puzzle pieces for them. Now, I know it might sound complicated to you, but don't worry, in this particular tutorial, we are going to break it down all for you guys. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get regular updates from us.
Okay guys, now let's have a look at our agenda for today's video. So firstly, we will start with an introduction to SAP ERP. Then we will look at the key concepts for beginners. Then moving forward, we will discuss some learning resources for SAP ERP. And lastly, we will look at some future trends and their developments in SAP ERP. So, let us begin by understanding what SAP ERP is and why it is so crucial for these modern businesses. So guys, this SAP ERP is basically a powerful software solution that is designed to manage business operations effectively. It basically unifies the customer relations by bringing together all customer related activities in one place and ensuring that every interaction is seamless and efficient. With these SAP ERP, you can basically streamline your business processes, making them faster and more efficient, which saves time and reduces your overall cost. And if we talk about it's one of the key benefit of SAP ERP is its ability to enhance data accuracy. By consolidating data from various sources into a single system, it basically eliminates errors and inconsistencies by ensuring your data is always reliable to what you want. And this accurate data also improves your reporting capabilities, providing insightful and precise reports that help you make the informed business decisions. So, over and all, this SAP ERP integrates various functions of your businesses, such as finance, human resources, and supply chain into a single and a unified system. This integration also ensures that all parts of your business work together harmoniously and leading to increased productivity and efficiency. Now, let us delve into the specific benefits that SAP ERP brings to the organizations. So, SAP ERP is basically designed to streamline your business operations, making your processes more efficient. And by automating these repetitive tasks, it significantly reduces the burden of manual work, allowing your team to focus on more strategic activities. And one of the key advantage of this SAP ERP is its ability to increase efficiency across your organization. With its real-time data integration, your reporting becomes simpler and faster by ensuring that you have access to accurate and up-to-date information whenever you need it. Accurate data is crucial for making informed business decisions. So here, SAP ERP ensures that you have a single source of truth by eliminating discrepancies and inconsistencies. And this leads to better and more reliable decision making, giving you a competitive edge in your industry. So now in summary, this SAP ERP not only streamlines operations and reduces manual tasks, but also boosts efficiency, simplifies reporting, and enhances your overall decision making with accurate data. So just embrace this SAP ERP to transform your business processes and drive the success in your business. Okay. Now to truly aspirate SAP ERP, it's very important to understand its evolution. So, the journey began in 1972 when SAP introduced its first software R1, and this marked the beginning of a revolution in enterprise resource planning. And following the success of R1, SAP launched R2, which brought enhanced capabilities and more robust functionalities to that. Then came R3, a major milestone that set new standards in the ERP industry with its client server architecture and the real time processing capabilities. And now, today, SAP continues to innovate and lead the market with SAP S4HANA. And this latest version leverages the power of in memory computing to deliver unprecedented speed and agility. So, SAP S4HANA provides businesses with the real time insights, streamlined processes, and the ability to adapt quickly to the changing market conditions. The evolution from R1 to S4HANA clearly showcases that SAP's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation by ensuring that businesses can thrive in an ever evolving digital landscape. So, starting with R1, the initial release, SAP introduced its foundational ERP system. Then came R2, which basically expanded the features and capabilities by enhancing the system's functionality. Then the next significant step was R3, a major upgrade that basically brought the substantial improvements and some new possibilities for businesses. And today we have S4HANA, the latest version, which leverages cutting edge technology to deliver superior performance for that. Now let's look at the functions of SAP ERP. So one of the standout feature in the real-time processing, which basically allows businesses to access and process data instantly. And this capability is very crucial for making timely and informed decisions. And additionally to that, advanced analytics is another powerful function that basically enabling companies to analyze complex data and gain valuable insights. So basically these features helps businesses optimize their operations, improve efficiency and stay competitive in a fast-paced market. So SAP S4HANA, which is the latest iteration of SAP's ERP software, comes with several groundbreaking features. So the first one is real-time data processing. So with SAP S4HANA, you can process data instantly, enabling faster decision making and more agile business operations. Next, we have a simplified user experience. So here, SAP Fiori provides you with an intuitive and modern user interface that is basically making it easier for users to navigate and perform tasks efficiently. Integrated analytics and enhanced performance are also some of its core features. Here, SAP S4HANA integrates advanced analytics directly into your business processes, that is, delivering insights and reports faster than ever before. SAP S4HANA also supports both cloud and on premises deployment options, that is, flexibly allows businesses to choose the environment that best suits their needs, whether they prefer the scalability of the cloud or the control of on premises systems. And finally, SAP S4HANA offers the advanced automation capabilities. So this feature basically streamlines the repetitive tasks, reducing manual errors and frees up your team to focus on more strategic activities. So this powerful suite offers you a range of integrated modules to streamline your business processes. So let us dive into each of its features. The first one is financial accounting or FI. So it is basically designed to handle the company's financial transaction. It basically ensures accurate financial reporting and its compliance. Next is controlling or CO. That basically helps in monitoring, managing and optimizing business operations and their cost. Then comes sales and distribution or SD. That basically manages customer orders, deliveries and billing processes efficiently. After that, it comes materials management that handles procurement or inventory management by ensuring smooth supply chain operations. After that, it's production planning or PP. That basically optimizes manufacturing processes and production schedules for better efficiency. After that, it comes quality management or QM. That basically ensures the product quality through consistent inspections and compliance with quality standards. Then it comes human capital management or HCM that manages employee information, payroll, and the talent development. After that, it's plant maintenance or PM that supports the upkeep of plant operations and equipment by ensuring the minimal downtime. After that, it's project system or PS that basically aids in planning, executing, and monitoring projects from start to finish. And lastly, we have supplier relationship management or SRM that basically optimizes supply interactions and procurement processes for better supplier collaboration. So here each of these modules integrate seamlessly with each other by providing a comprehensive solution for enterprise resource planning. Now, let us explore the profound impact of SAP ERP on businesses today. So this SAP ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning is one of a powerful tool that can significantly boost productivity across various sectors. And by automating these routine tasks, it allows employees to focus on more strategic activities, thus enhancing the overall efficiency. And here, one of the standout benefits of this SAP ERP is its ability to reduce errors. With its centralized data and standardized processes, the chances for manual mistakes are drastically minimized. And this not only ensures accuracy, but also saves time by avoiding the need for constant corrections. Improved data quality is another critical advantage here. That SAP ERP integrates data from various departments, providing them a single source of truth, and this leads to a better decision making and more reliable business insights. Now, moreover, that SAP ERP also enhances customer satisfaction. So, this basically done by streamlining processes and improving the data visibility that enables for quicker response times and more personalized customer interactions. And lastly, SAP ERP drives the business growth. So here, the efficiency and accuracy it brings leads to cost saving and better resource management, paving the way for sustainable expansion.
Hey, I noticed you are still following along with this particular tutorial. And you know what? It just takes one click to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you will get all the latest content delivered directly onto your feed. So what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button here and ring that bell icon right next to it. Alright, now let's continue with our video.
Now, let us move on to our next agenda where we will be looking at some key concepts for the beginner course. So basically, we'll delve into the fundamental principles, grasp essential terminologies, and build a strong foundation over there. Okay, now as we move into the key concepts for beginners, we will cover some several fundamental aspects of SAP ERP. So for that, the number one is enterprise resource planning. So we will discuss what ERP means and how it integrates various business processes. Then comes the SAP modules, where we will explore the different functional modules that make up the SAP ERP system. Then comes the SAP Graphical User Interface or GUI, where We will basically introduce you to the SAP GUI and how to navigate it effectively. Then comes the transaction codes. So here we will explain what transaction codes are and how they are used in SAP. And lastly, we have SAP Logon and user management, where we will cover the basics of logging into SAP and managing user accounts there. So understanding these key concepts will help you provide a solid foundation for your SAP ERP journey. Now, if we talk about the SAP Graphical User Interface or GUI, it is one of your primary means of interacting with the SAP system. Number one, main user interaction. So the GUI is where you will spend most of your time when working with SAP. Number two, navigates SAP system. So it basically provides you with the menus, toolbars and other elements to help you move through different SAP functions. Number three, essential for users. So here you will be understanding the GUI is crucial for the effective use of SAP. Number four, familiarity required. So regular practice with the GUI will make you more efficient in using SAP. And last, the number five, effective system navigation. So the GUI is designed to help you quickly access the functions that you need. So basically, we will explore the SAP GUI in more detailed manner later in this course, showing you how to navigate it effectively. So the next one is transaction codes, which is often referred to as T codes, which are an essential part of working with SAP. So if we talk about these T codes, then they are the shortcuts that allow you to jump directly to any specific SAP functions. And this codes always starts with slash followed by a combination of letters and numbers. So here you need to memorize some common T codes that can significantly speed up your work in SAP. For example, include FB01 for posting a document in financial accounting, or VA01 for creating a sales order. So here basically by using these T codes, it is often for you faster than navigating them through menus. And as you become more familiar with these T codes, you will find your productivity in SAP increasing day by day. So we'll cover some of the most common used T codes later in this course. So just stay tuned for that. Now, understanding SAP logon and user management is one of the crucial things for anyone who is starting with SAP. So log in with credentials. So you will need a username and password provided by your SAP administrator. Your initial login details and access rights are set up by the SAP system administrator. And then you'll manage your user setting. So once you logged in, you can customize certain settings like your password and your user preferences. Update passwords. So regular password updates are often required for your security reasons. And then a proper login credentials are necessary to access the SAP systems and its functionalities. And lastly, the basic user management. So you need the understanding of how to manage your user account. It's very important for maintaining your access and personalizing your SAP experience. So we will basically walk you through all of these login processes and basic user management tasks in later section of this course. Now moving forward, let's discuss some learning resources to enhance your skills. Okay, so to help you on your SAP learning journey, there are numerous resources available online and everywhere else. So the number one is online tutorials. So if I talk about these online tutorials, there are many websites that offers free SAP tutorials covering various topics and skill levels. Second is YouTube videos. So there are a wealth of SAP related content on YouTube from basic introduction to the advanced topics. Then you have SAP Learning Hub. So this is basically SAP's official learning platform that's offering you a wide range of courses and some materials for that. Then you have some free courses, like many platform offers you a free introductory SAP courses to help you get started for that. You have some structured training. For a more comprehensive learning experience, structured training programs are available there for you. You can also go for some certification options, like SAP offers you a various certification programs to basically validate your skill sets. You can go with some comprehensive trainings, like some resources provides you with the end-to-end training covering all aspects of this SAP. You can also access to the materials, like many learning platforms provide you to access the SAP documentation and practice systems. Now, if we talk about the online tutorials are one of the greatest way to start your SAP learning journey. Websites like SAP Online Tutorials offers you a wealth of information for any beginners. Many of these tutorials are free, making them accessible for anyone in the world. And they typically cover SAP basics, providing you with a solid foundation for your further learning. And here you will find the overviews of different SAP modules that is helping you to understand the SAP's structure. A step-by-step guides are common here that basically walking you through various SAP processes. Some tutorials including practical exercises to reinforce your learning. They often cover essential topics like navigation, basic transaction, and key concepts. So these online tutorials can be an excellent starting point before you moving on to more advanced or formal training. Now, if we talk about the SAP Learning Hub, which is an SAP's official learning platform that basically offers you a comprehensive resources for that. Number one, it provides you with the structured training paths to guide your learning journey. Number two, the platform offers you a wide range of materials from beginners to expert level both. Number three, content is tailored here to different SAP modules and roles within the organization. Number four, you can access the practical training environments to apply what you will learn. Number five, their learning hub caters to different user levels, from new users to experienced professionals both. Number six, it offers certification options to validate your SAP skill sets. Number seven, users have the access to a vast library of SAP's resources, including its official documentation. And number eight, the content here is comprehensive, covering all aspects of SAP systems and their implementation. So while this SAP Learning Hub is a paid service, but it's an excellent resource for those serious about developing their SAP skill sets. Okay, now moving on to our last agenda point, let's discover some future trends in SAP ERP. From AI and machine learning integration to enhanced user experiences and cloud-based solution, this SAP ERP is evolving to meet the demands of these modern businesses day by day. So as we look to the future of SAP ERP, there are several key trends that are shaping its evolution. Number one, cloud computing. So here SAP is increasingly focusing on this cloud-based solution, offering more flexibility and scalability. Number two, it's artificial intelligence. So AI is being integrated into SAP systems to provide the more intelligent automation and better decision-making support. Number three, machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are enhancing SAP's predictive capabilities and improving the process automation. Number four, industry-specific solutions. So here, SAP is developing more tailored solutions for specific industries to meet unique business needs. Number five, user experience and its mobility. So there is a growing emphasis on improving user interfaces and mobile accessibility. And number six, integration and connectivity. So SAP is working on better integration with other systems and platforms, including the IoT devices. So these trends clearly indicates that SAP ERP will continue to evolve and becoming a more intelligent, accessible and adaptable to the changing business needs into the coming future. So That's all we have for this video, guys. I hope by now you have a good understanding of what SAP ERP is all about and from where you can learn that as you are a beginner. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do share it with your fellow kids.
Okay, now that's a wrap up for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something valuable here. And you know guys, what's more great? Having you as a part of our growing YouTube community. Just click that subscribe button below here and turn on the notifications also. It's completely free for you and you will never miss on any notifications for our upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.
Thank you for watching our video. Are you looking to elevate your career in SAP or start learning from the ground up? Look no further than our comprehensive SAP courses on the Teachable platform. We have partnered with industry experts to bring you self-paced courses covering the entire spectrum of SAP solutions, ERP, HANA, SuccessFactors, and more. Learn at your convenience from anywhere in the world. SAP professionals design our courses with years of real-world experience. They will guide you through comprehensive curriculums, blending theory with practical applications and real-world examples. Engage with interactive video lessons, quizzes, exercises, and hands-on projects. Apply what you learn immediately and solidify your understanding. Once enrolled, you will have lifetime access to the course materials, allowing you to revisit them whenever needed. And upon completion, you will receive a certificate to showcase your newfound SAP expertise. With affordable pricing and flexible payment options, investing in your SAP education has always been challenging. Take advantage of this opportunity to take your skills to new heights. Head over to our Teachable page, explore our course offerings, and enroll today to kickstart your journey toward becoming an SAP expert.